Creating a subsidiary in Netsuite involves setting up a separate entity within your Netsuite account to manage financial and operational activities independently. Here's a step-by-step guide. Log into Netsuite. Access your Netsuite account using your credentials. Navigate to Subsidiaries. Go to the main menu and click on Setup. Under the Company section, select Subsidiaries. Add New Subsidiary. Click on the New button to create a new subsidiary record. Enter subsidiary details. Fill in the necessary fields such as the subsidiary name, legal name, and address. Specify additional details like tax information, currency, and language. Set up financial preferences. Configure financial preferences for the subsidiary, including accounting periods, fiscal calendars, and chart of accounts. Specify default accounting settings such as accounting method and reporting currency. Assign permissions and roles. Define user roles and permissions specific to the subsidiary to control access and security. Save the record. Review the information entered to ensure accuracy. Click Save to create the subsidiary record. Additional settings. Customize subsidiary settings further by configuring subsidiary-specific features such as taxation rules, pricing, and billing preferences.